Good evening, guys. Ito yung aming simpleng Thanksgiving. Yan yung ham namin at saka turkey. Tapos yung scallop potato daw yan, sabi ni Nining. At saka ito yung marshmallow at saka sweet potato. Tapos may konti kaming salmon. Tsaka yung aming turkey. Chicken. Kasi malaki yung turkey. Tapos yan, may masarap kami. Simple lang. At saka may mashed potato din kami. At saka beans casserole. Kaya yan. Tapos ay yung dalawa magano daw ng wine. Kaya kain na tayo, guys. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I love you all. God bless.